Hello everyone, myself Arif Hossain and this is my intro video. Let me show you something from my skill set and what I'm doing. I work as a freelancer and this is my skill set on Facebook Pixel. So here if you go on your Facebook Pixel or datasets, if you go to the manage integration, then you will see some two integration type, like a one is conversion API, one is metapixel. So I think this little setup you will understand this. We need to set up conversion API. If you tell me how I set up this conversion API, so for setup conversion API we are using step.io. So this is adapt to third-party cookie depreciation and as well as the bypass ad blocker as well as improve marketing, enhance security as implement cookie-less tracking, and also some other like auto scale resources and traffic spike. So this is the all step is the all-in-one solution for server-side tracking, for Facebook pixel, TikTok pixel, Google Ads conversion, and other all conversion tracking we can set up from there. So now let's talk about my Facebook pixel work. If you go on here, this is right now showing a setup multiple, but here is only should be showing on here like a browser and server. Then we will very easily understood that this is very clean setup. Right now they have already the other triple pixel setup from the Shopify that's showing multiple setup, and here is the event match quality is so much low. So we should improve the event match quality as well as so minimum 8 event match quality we can get from this step server. Now let's talk about the another pixel, and here is if you go on here then you see the Facebook page view only showing browser and server. So if you tell me why the other even not showing, cause of this click are not set up by server side tracking, that's why not from coming from server. But here is showing the event match quality like that. So how to improve that event match quality, that will be very easily we will understood that. Here is some event information like an email address. On page view we are not providing email address, that's why this is not getting data and our score is 6.1. If you go on the purchase, then on purchase every user when someone purchase should be they are providing their email address, phone number, then we will get some data, and minimum address we will even match quality we will get 8 out of 10. So now let's talk about some Google Facebook ads campaign. So now this is a recent campaign I set up on here and it's worked totally fine, but we can change the right now it's stop. I'm pause this campaign as well. So this is the last month data, like a 1st January to 31 January, and here is the cost per CPC. This is from the one affiliate product we are setting. When someone click the view item, then they are directly going to our Amazon, something like that. This is our campaign, and here is the total spent I on here. And if you see this how many reach and click and result and what's the cost per result is a little bit lower we are getting right now on here. But this is on this campaign is showing high, that's why I stop these ad group and going creating the another one, and make sure we are optimizing these one by one. Sometime in the fast, if you have a fast business, so we should create our Facebook ad smart bidding. Then we, if when we get some audiences, then we will get look like audiences and we will retarget them. Okay, now let's see this current month. This is showing that this month, if I show you last 30 days, that's been January 24 to February 23 22. So here is also the same result, something like that, 0.7 0.7, and so much click we are getting, and these result we are seeing on this Facebook. Okay, so this is the this all page view are coming from this campaign. Okay, so now let's talk about what is the server step.io. So step.io is a complete solution about server side tracking. We can set up any conversion API like a Facebook pixel conversion tracking, TikTok pixel conversion tracking, Snapchat pixel conversion tracking, LinkedIn, other any conversion tracking. Most of the time we are using Google Ads conversion tracking because of Google Ads is very important for coming from better result, and most of the time I'm set up the Google Ads, but it's depend up to my audiences and my client interest. Okay, so now let's talk about what's the parameter of the server side tracking. This is the all parameter we are using. This I know about the very well about Facebook documentation, and using this documentation I set up all. So now you can see my website. This is my partner. If you go on here, so I'm now Fiverr level 1 seller. This is my business name is Tracking by GTM. If you click on here, then you will see I have some intro video on there, so you can visit my profile. Welcome to my Fiverr profile. As well as if you go on my Upwork profile, just go to there, and if I just click on here, then you will see my profile name is upwork.com, then Tracking by GTM. This is my business. So right now on Upwork, I'm the top rated seller on there. Just putting for showing on here, this is top rated seller on here. I have done so many projects on here as well, 38 jobs. And if I show you my brand website is called Tracking by GTM, so you can visit my site, and you can message me, or you can see my portfolio as well as my Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and data visualization on Google Looker Studio. So web analytics tracking like a user behavior data on Microsoft Clarity or Hotjar, we can use anything. As well as if you personally visit my site, just go to directlymarketerarif.com, then you can see my website and you can request a call. As well as if you on the footer, you will see my as well as portfolio. I have done so many Google Ads also, so you can check out my Google Ads result as well. I know also React website development. That's why my another portfolio is on the Netlify, and you can visit this. You can directly click to hire on me, Upwork, on Fiverr, as well as coming from Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, LinkedIn, as well as, and you can see my phone number, as well as you can mail me. I can download my CV as well. See my expertise. I think you already know that, and also you can see my some portfolio on here, like from Google Ads, Google Data Looker Studio, as well as the Facebook Pixel Conversion API, and Google Merchant Center. I know about to fix Google Merchant Center for Google Shopping ads. So if you liked my experiences, so you can message me. I'm really waiting for your response. Feel free to visit my site, and I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like my experience, you can message me on WhatsApp or mail me. So I will send you a Zoom link so we can schedule on Zoom, and we will talk together about our project details if you really want to work with me. Thank you so much for your time.